Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Traditional with Beena. Today I am going to make crispy and spicy urad dal pakode. So let's start. For this we need 1 bowl whole urad dal. Transfer it into a big bowl and wash properly. Pour the water till top of the dal and let it soak for at least 3 to 4 hours. Now soaked dal is ready. Wash it 2 times and drain the water. Put dal into mixer jar. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 5 to 6 green chili. Grind dal with only little water till it becomes fluffy. Dal batter is ready. This is perfect consistency. Now transfer the batter into a plate. This dal used to be sticky, so it will take little time to come out. Grease your hand with little oil. Now mix the batter really well for about 4 to 5 minutes continuously. This is most important step for this pakoda recipe. The more you will mix the batter, more crispy and fluffy pakoda you will get. Now just before the frying, I am adding around 2 pinch asafoetida, half teaspoon ajwain and salt as per taste. Now quickly give it one more perfect mix. And keep it side. Now take inverted plate or bowl, put a clean polythene piece over it, wet it with water. Then take a small portion of dal and spread it over the wet polythene in round shape. Do wet your finger with water during spreading. Now make a small hole at center and stick black sesame seed on it. Now drop it in a preheated oil. Drop 2 to 3 pakoda at a time and fry it in medium flame. Turn the pakoda and fry till both the sides turns crispy and golden brown. Take it in a tissue paper and likewise we'll fry all the batches. During removal, apply little water in your finger and take the pakoda. Keep this in mind, since your finger is wet, be careful while frying. Make other pakoda ready while first one is frying. Drop this along with the first one. So likewise, make all the pakoda. Usually it will take around 3 to 4 minute time to fry. Now crispy urad dal pakoda is ready. Serve it with mint coriander chutney or tomato sauce. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.